All right, morning. We're in France still. We're up early, really early today.
Yeah,
This is I was going to say this is the first time it's ever happened, but we're up before the kids are. We woke up a few minutes before our alarms and turned them off, so they could sleep in for a bit. So the plan is to try and move them over to their seats just before we're leaving, which is about now-ish, really.
Yeah, it feels not very nice for them because they fell asleep in the car seats last night and we moved them from the car seat to bed.
Yeah.
And now we're going to have to take them when they're sleeping from the bed to the car seat, and it feels horrible.
Yeah, it doesn't feel nice, does it?
No.
Bless them. But it'll be worth it. And I think when Charlie wakes up and realises that we're on our way to the big train, which is the shuttle, the Eurotunnel, he'll be okay. But it's not going to be a nice wake-up for him.
No.
But I think one of them might be stirring now. Pretty much time to go then. Let's see how this goes. Wish us luck. The vehicle was more than 1.85 high. All right, there we go then.
All right, checked in.
Open sesame. The kids. Everything's in French. Passenger terminal. This is the way. Look. Le chute. Attendez l'appel. You have to do this when you talk French, just so you know.
Oh, I thought that was Italian.
No, Italian's that. It's more aggressive in Italian. We're D3, calling 29 minutes. All right.
All right.
Breakfast time then.
Exciting.
It's exciting actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think, man? Is it exciting?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are we going to do?
On a big train.
On a big train?
Yeah, I see a big excavator over there.
Oh, a big excavator over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. The train is big enough to take on Sonny the bus, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you get to do it in your pyjamas. That's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Can I get a high five? Sweet.
And the thumbs up.
And one thumbs up too. What about two thumbs ups? Charlie, what was that bus that you just seen?
Sonny's little sister.
Sonny's little sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like Sonny, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But smaller.
Some good Isabella.
Oh, is the little sister called Isabella?
Yeah.
Oh, so you've got two very excited kids.
Yeah, they're so like bubbly.
Yeah.
What is it, like butterfly?
Yeah, I think this is the most excited they've been on the whole trip.
Yeah.
To get on the train.
Yeah. Well, they were really excited on the ferry. So.
Yeah, true.
All right, going on.
Let's do it. Call to gate. This feels a lot more like proper than like getting the ferry and stuff.
Yeah,
It's a lot more like you have to go and check in and you have to, feels a little bit more like flying, doesn't it?
It feels like traveling all the
Yeah,
time.
yeah. That's a better way of putting it, yeah. Doesn't feel at all like flying, to be honest. There's obviously a lot of like proper motorhomes and stuff, but there's a lot of self-built like DIY vans, like converted vans from the UK. There's such a massive like van life community in the UK, and it's quite fun to like pick out all of the like DIY converted ones. I feel like we're sort of the odd ones out. We're definitely the only Swedes. I think we're the only non-British people.
Yeah.
Actually.
And we're going to the front.
Yeah.
Oh, this blue one is cool.
Oh, that's nice. Look at that one. That's cool, isn't it?
That is cool. A lot of waiting, right, Charlie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's red.
Yeah, it's red. You're right. You have to wait for it to be
Bikini.
green. Yeah, and then we can drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To big train.
To big train.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Potato. We don't double. If it is a bubble, there's a bee. What's wrong with teeth? So
Do you see what's going to happen, Charlie?
Yeah.
Everybody's driving down, look.
Why?
They're driving down into a big tunnel onto a big train. In fact, I think these that you can see here might even be the trains. Hold on tight. What are you guys doing?
Yes, in BT City.
Watching Big Tree City. Is it cosy in here?
Yeah.
While we're on the train, in the bus, watching TV? Yeah. How good is this, eh?
Cozy.
Yeah, I like this cozy.
Catching up because we didn't have a cozy morning, so now we got a cozy morning on the train,
Yeah.
on the tunnel instead.
Yeah, exactly. Right kids, almost time to get back in your seats.
Yeah.
Yeah, the train's arriving.
Where are we then? And we're in England.
We're in England! Charlie, can I get a high five? We're officially in England. We're so close to Nana and Grandad and Farmer and Farfar.
Yeah.
And everybody.
And everybody.
Yay!
Exciting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stupid. Oh, I'm completely fried in my little brain.
Yeah, you pulled over off the motorway to go to like a service station, is that what you call
Yeah.
it? Like yeah.
The services, yeah. Because we've got the roof fan open and we were going to make some coffee and just have a little break. And then obviously, because you get off the motorway and you get to a roundabout, and obviously the first time I've gone round a roundabout, I'm like, right, concentrate. So I was concentrating, and then I followed Google Maps and went straight back onto the motorway instead of going up to the services.
So now we're
back on the motorway.
Yeah.
We just keep driving. We're going to end up driving forever. 7 minutes left. Come on. We're nearly there. It's felt like a bloody long day of travelling today, to be honest. But it feels nice that once we get here now, we're on this site for 3 nights, which we've not done really before. We've not stayed in the same place for more than 1 or 2 nights. Nice cabins.
Yeah.
Clipsby Hall.
Jag vet inte älskling.
I don't think they're going to be here yet. I think they're going to wait for us to check in and stuff. I mean, we're not campsite people, are we? But wow, this place is so nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lovely, lovely place.
Yeah.
Normally, I don't know if this is like a Swedish thing or because we normally take into like cheaper campsite. But then again, I used to work in one that's not cheap, and it always feel like you're so packed. You're so close to each other all the time. And here's like little sections, isn't it? And you feel like, well, it's not too close actually.
And the pictures are huge.
It's not crowded.
Yeah.
Like how, but when you look, it doesn't feel like it would be crowded even if it was full.
No, I mean all the pictures are like divided with bushes, and the pictures themselves are big and stuff like that. I think it's really nice.
Yeah.
It's probably 3 times as expensive as any campsite we've ever been on, but there you go.
We were on holiday.
Yeah, so it felt like a bloody long day of driving yesterday. We made it over from France, from Calais, over to Dover, and then all the way up to Norfolk, where we are now, just close to Great Yarmouth. Actually, the plan is today, hopefully, to bundle the kids into one of the cars and head off to Great Yarmouth. There's loads and loads to do for kids there. It's going to be a good day, I think, a fun-filled day, hopefully, for everybody.
Yeah, I'm excited. I've obviously never been in this part of England, so it's really nice.
Yeah, I think it'll be great. So it's really nice. We've got my dad and his wife that have driven all the way down from the Midlands to come and see us. And the reason that we've ended up in Norfolk is because my grandparents live here. So we've got a nice little family day planned. So it's going to be really good. We're booked in here for 3 nights, so it feels really nice. Nice to have a break from travelling. Actually, the last 2 days felt more like travelling than the previous week. So it's nice to have a couple of days just to sort of chill out. It feels really nice. We're gonna have a great day today, aren't we?
Yeah.
This is well nice, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Doesn't look like England really, does it?
No, not really. It's too beautiful.
I got Venice vibes with the bridge and the little boats and stuff.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's cute.
It's really nice.
Wow.
Push down. Go Charlie, do your silly walk. Go Charlie! Are you winning, Charlie? Go, Charlie! Go on, you got to win some there. No! What a rip-off! Brings back some good memories, this does. It's like hours and hours of entertainment.
Yeah. Both are loving it. Bella don't understand, she just shoves them in.
Yeah. Look at this, jackpot.
No, Charlie. No, Charlie.
Come on.
No way.
Rip off.
Yeah, they're just on the edge. Oh, man.
Yay! Why not start them off gambling early, eh?
I mean, 1.5, that's a good age, isn't it?
Welcome to the English summer.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sunny 10 minutes ago.
It was. Changes fast. Especially here on the coast.
Yeah, it's pissing it down.
Yeah, I was going to say we were on the beach an hour ago, yeah.
Yeah. On the road again.
On the road again. On the road again.
Yeah.
Yes. And driving on the left. Driving on the left. Driving on the left. On the left, on the left. It's not easy to get it into your head. I said it before that like when we've borrowed cars, when we've come back and stuff, you're reminded every time you get in the car that you're supposed to drive, that it's different because you're getting on the wrong side.
Yeah.
But now I'm getting in the same side as I always do. I've got to remember to go the wrong way around roundabouts. Like it's extremely confusing.
Yeah.
Just have to remind myself every time I get in. My little note there.
Yeah, exactly.
I was saying the other day that it feels weird because I've now been driving on the right hand side of the road for longer than I was ever driving on the left.
That is weird.
Yeah, that's how long I've been living in Sweden.
It's crazy.
It is crazy. Google Maps says somewhere between 3 and 4 hours, not including stops.
Yeah,
So
I'll probably be there for dinner time. It's about 11 o'clock now.
yeah, exactly.
We'll be there for dinner tonight.
That's the hope. Yeah.
The kids are hoping to have a bath in the Farmers bath now.
Yeah.
So hopefully before dinner time we've got time for dinner and bath.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll get there when we get there. But
Yeah.
it's only 11 o'clock now, so we've got loads and loads of time.
Yeah, exactly.
We had a nice relaxed morning on the campsite, and yeah, it's good.
Yeah, perfect.
Having a little clean.
Having a little break from driving, and I get a bit restless because I don't drive. Well, I've not really been driving at all for the last 8 months because of 2 strong medicines and stuff like that. And I've just started driving like a couple of weeks ago, but not big vehicles like Sonny. So I just sit. So now when we stop for lunch, I got a bit bored. I'm a bit restless in my body, so I'm cleaning a bit while everybody else is having lunch.
Yeah, and it's painfully obvious that we're in England and we can't run around outside and play.
Yeah, exactly. It's raining heavily.
Yeah.
Sadly, both inside and out.
Yeah, we've got a little leak up here, haven't we? Yeah.
So it's a wet lunch, even though we're eating it inside.
No, we need to get it fixed. That's
Yeah.
top of the list. 3, 2, 1, jump! Wow, that was good. What about you, Bella? Jump! Up, up.
Feels a bit different to the stops we did in like Germany when it was 36 degrees and not a cloud in the sky. Or is it like 4 days ago, 5 days ago we had 36 degrees and now it's 15 degrees and it's pouring down.
Yeah, July.
Yeah.
Welcome to July in England.
Yeah. Alright, 33 minutes to go, and it feels like a bloody long day.
Yeah, it's been a long old slog, hasn't it?
Yeah.
The weather's been typically English all day. It's
Yeah.
rained and been grey.
Yeah.
And it's
And
so tiring to travel when it's like this, isn't it?
we never do this, but the kids are watching the iPad in the back.
Yeah.
Because we, like we said, we got half an hour left. We understand that they're bored as fudge, because we are.
Yeah.
We're tired and we're bored of driving, and we just want to be there now. And obviously the kids just want to be at Farmor and Farfar's house now.
Yeah.
So last 30 minutes, a bit of iPad, a bit of nice music, trying to enjoy it even though it sucks right now.
Yeah.
And then we got a few days of not driving again.
Yeah, exactly. We have to remember that it's been a long day for everybody.
Yeah.
Like, it's not just a long day for us, it's a long day for them as well.
Yeah.
So, you know, we have to be a bit flexible with stuff and let them enjoy it a little bit. Watch the iPad while we're driving and stuff, it's not a problem.
No.
But we're following signs for Mansfield now, which is nice, so that means that we really are close.
Yeah, exactly.
And I recognise where we are now, which is good. So half an hour, and we'll be there.
Yeah.
Sunny old Mansfield, Nottinghamshire.
Yeah. Looks like normal at least.
Yeah, exactly. just the way we left it.
Yeah. We have arrived.
Yay! The street where I grew up. After, what's it been? A week and a half since we set off.
Yeah, ish.
Something like that.
A week and a couple of days.
A week and a couple of
least.
days at least, yeah. Let's see if I can navigate my way onto their driveway with this beast then.
Yeah, it's a small driveway, isn't it?
Small driveway and a big old Sonny the bus.
Yeah.